this video, I will show you how to add YouTube to your taskbar in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser. I just want to make a note as well, you do need to use Google Chrome to do this. So if you don't have it, download Google Chrome. What you can then do is open up a Google Chrome browser, and once you've done that, what you want to do is come across to youtube.com. So once you're on the YouTube website, what you want to do now is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots up here, and then if you come down and hover over the cast, save and share option, and on the submenu you're going to see an option to install YouTube. What you want to do is give that a click. You're going to get a pop-up like this saying to install app. Click the install button. What it's going to do is install YouTube as its own separate app. Now once that's done, what you can do is add this to your taskbar. So you just want to locate YouTube on your PC or laptop. It should be added to your desktop. If you don't see it there, you can use the search box in your taskbar at the bottom, type YouTube, and it should now come up underneath best match showing as an app. Once you see it, right click onto YouTube, and all you want to do on this menu is click onto pin to taskbar. As you can see, this is going to automatically pin YouTube to the taskbar. What we can now do is click this, and it's going to directly open up YouTube, which is just a much faster way to access and use YouTube rather than opening up an internet browser and navigating to youtube.com. So that's how to pin YouTube to your taskbar in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.